Recipe of the day: gajar ka halwa. It is a carrot-based sweet pudding from the Indian subcontinent. This dessert is traditionally eaten during all the festivals in India. But hold on, who needs a reason to binge on such kind of sweets? If you agree, then keep on watching. Firstly, heat a vessel and add clarified butter, also known as desi ghee. Let it heat properly. Then throw in 5 to 6 cardamom pods. Let them lose its flavor in the butter. After it's done, then add all the 1 kg grated carrot that we have already done it beforehand. Though it was a task to do so, nothing much, just a great workout for your arms. Disclaimer: these are red carrots specially for gajar ka halwa. Getting back to the recipe, now cover the lid and get to the next step. That's the procedure of boiling the milk with sugar till it's properly dissolved. Keep checking on the carrots and make sure it's not sticking to the vessel. And just when you see the color change in the grated carrots, put the milk with dissolved sugar into the vessel. Mix it nicely. Now comes the hero ingredient, that is reduced milk, which is also known as mawa. This you can get it at any local dairy. Now, for making it more creamy, add in 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and stir it well. Keep the heat on low flame. And now, in the end, you want all the matter to be reduced to 1/4 of it. But you have to make sure to keep it stirring in between. This will take a little time, but it's so worth it. And when it's completely done, serve it warm in a bowl with thinly sliced almonds and pistachios. Do try this recipe and enjoy your treat. Do turn the grey like button to blue and subscribe to Few Minutes to Us.